Hey, Influence here. We got the Lococo Wireless Microphone System. And what you get with this, you get the receiver. Has inputs in the back. Actually has two microphone inputs. And it has a 1/4-inch cable input that it does come with a 1/4-inch cable. And it has DC. So those are the inputs that you have in the back. Got to plug this in to make it work. You get the microphone. You get a windscreen for the microphone, of course. Now this microphone takes 2 AA batteries that is not included. So please, you have to buy some if you're going to use that microphone. You got a shock mount cover, non-slip cover, a USB to USB-C cord. Here's the 1/4-inch cable that it comes with. You got a microphone that wraps around your head like this. You're at a concert or you somewhere, or you on Zoom or something, because then you also get this thing here that is a transmitter that goes to the receiver. So you can put this on your person, hook this up to here, and then you have a mic that you don't have to hold. You also get a lav mic that you can just clip on to your shirt or something, and it has the same features. You plug it into this thing, the transmitter, and you get a plug, of course, that you need for the receiver. So let's get this hooked up. Right now I'm on my system. I'm gonna switch mics and see what this sounds like. I'm also going to switch and see what this sounds like. So let's roll. When you're trying to put the batteries in here, I couldn't tell how, but you want to first unscrew this cap. Is on the bottom. It's already unscrewed. So unscrew that and then unscrew this, and then the batteries just go in there like that. Screw this back together. Make sure I got some juice. Check. So I'm using this mic now just to show you and let you hear it. I believe, let me see over here. You got the dial. So let me see if you dial it up. It's probably clipping right now. So let's dial it down a little bit. And let me get I'm looking at the meters. There's meters on the actual system too, which is great. So you have this, it automatically switched to the channel that it needed to be in. I'm hoping it sounds good. If it doesn't, but if it does, you can hear, or you can hear how it sounds. So that's with this mic. So let me hook up this. I'm gonna turn this on and see if it goes to the other side. So I turn this on. Yeah, it right away. As soon as this came on, this says 17. So this is on a different frequency. So you can actually use this mic as a mic, and then you can have the lapel mics or the headset mic on. So, but let's switch over to that. I'm going to turn this mic off so there's no interference, and you can just hear what's going on with the other mics. So this is this mic. Check. So now I'm using the headset mic so you can hear what that sounds like with this. And yeah, you can maneuver this how you need it. And I'm just demonstrating this. So now let's do the lapel mic so you can see what that sounds like, and then we can get out of here. So here we are with the lapel mic actually, and also let me dial it down a bit. It seems to be clipping a little bit. There we go. So this is the lapel mic that has this, where you can use this as well. Now there's only one of these. They may have where you can buy an extra one or something. I'm not sure, but they probably do. It's probably easy, and then you can have like 2 of the lapel mics. But you have a mute button on here. And it blinks when it's muted. So there's that. You also have a channel button, so you can change channels if, say, something's wrong. I'm hoping everything is coming through clear. If not, you know what it is. Either way, it's a review. But yeah, I think it's great. I'm gonna finish it out with this mic, and yeah, I couldn't ask for anything else. As long as it sounds good, I'll see in post. I'm not gonna mess with anything. I'm not gonna change anything. It's just gonna be raw and ready. So thanks for watching.